Peace and blessings wherever you may be. I am doing a quick video to let you all know about a gig work job. It is called SudShare. I was looking for something for myself and I stumbled upon SudShare to do my laundry because I'm busy with Uber and other things. So I wanted to share this to you. Maybe it's a good fit where you can work and do laundry from home. In the upcoming clip, the lady makes over $2,000 a week doing laundry from home. So let me know in the comments if this is something that you would be interested in doing other people's laundry. I thought about it. I don't even want to do my own laundry, so I know this wouldn't work for me, but it may work for you. All right, and until next time, please make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Peace and blessings.
Inflation still causing prices to climb. So many people are looking for ways to save money and even make some extra money.
Now, all week long, we've been telling you about some side hustles to make some extra cash from home. Consumer reporter Susan Hogan found one local woman who was cleaning up and cashing in by doing a little dirty work.
It might be your least favorite chore. Wash, dry, fold, repeat. But for Christian Sonia, it's not a chore anymore. In fact, she's washing other people's clothes and she's getting paid for it.
I'm one of the top earners with SudShare, and I range from about $1,000 to $2,000 a week.
Christian signed up with SudShare, a person-to-person marketplace for laundry. Think of it like an Uber for laundry.
So you might pick, for example, a 10-mile radius around your home. And then you'll get notified when orders are available in your area. You can accept them or decline them.
Since launching in 2017, SudShare has expanded to 400 U.S. markets and 70,000 Sudsters like Christian. SudShare is one of several laundry service apps. There's also Launder and Laundry Care. They all help take the load off from those who either don't have a washer and dryer or just hate going to the laundromat. Most of these laundry services work the same way. Customers are charged by the pound, and launderers get a cut of it, plus tips. And Christian came up with a cute way to get a bigger tip for her.
All of my deliveries are with the crumble cookie, and my customers love it. So it's my thing. I am the crumble cookie girl.
Even though Christian has a day job, her late-night side hustle requires no special skills and allows her to be at home more with her daughter.
My daughter is autistic, so I've been home for a while, and I was looking for a gig that could kind of give me a little financial freedom and still be at home.
But before you sign up for any money-making opportunity, search the company's name with the Better Business Bureau or the Federal Trade Commission. Find out how long the app has been up and running. You want to make sure it has a good track record with customer service. Read reviews, not just the good ones, too. And make sure they're using a secure payment source like PayPal. Now, we also asked Christian about her utility bills. She told us she did see a $30 jump on her electric bill and not much of a rise on her water bill. As for detergents, she said the trick really is to follow washing instructions and buy in bulk. I'm Susan Hogan, News 4.